na yun po, talagang kailangan ko talaga may shades, kailangan may mask, may hood. Kung talagang parang, kung maka-Star Wars yung costume mo.
Actually po, ito po pag pumupunta sa mall, naka-surgical mask para hindi po siya makita.
Parang may cancer, para wala akong lumapit.
Pero po, nagsiselfie po siya. Ayun niya ako kasi.
Wala, hindi ako nag-selfie sa Darren lang
How
nag-picture.
about si Laika? Anong namimiss mo?
Ayaw po nila pag sila tayo.
Ay, sorry.
Sorry ah. Hindi okay lang. Hindi na yan.
Sige.
Ayun po, masaya po. Tapos po, minsan po nakakalungkot na hindi po namin masyado kasama yung mga coach namin. Gusto ko rin po maging masaya. Kasama ko po sila, mga coaches. Tsaka rin po yung coach ni Kuya KK. Nakakatawa din po.
Isang rin po pwede po kaming apat po, maka-enjoy naman po sa Shanty Kapita.
May trip po ba dyan?
Ay, Star City na lang po pala, sorry.
Ayos na namili pa talaga. Well, anyways, ayan, pwede po palakpakan natin silang apat. Bago na matapos, paki-invite sila sa concert video. Let's start with JK.
Oh, yun po, abangan niyo po sa very first official concert po namin ng The Voice Kids concert on December 6 po yan sa PICC Plenary Hall. Tickets will be available at SM Ticket Stores nationwide.
Okay. Darlene, paki-invite sila sa concert video.
Yung abangan niyo po kami doon sa Plenary Hall, hall mo naman. PICC Plenary Hall po, December 6 po. At pwede na rin po kayo bumili sa SM po.
SM Ticket Stores.
Online lang. Sige, kayo na dito.
Online.
SM tickets. Ayan, okay.
Ayun naman pala.
Ayun naman pala.
May lyrics naman pala.
Sabay-sabay tayo.
Ay, sorry
We
naman.
are inviting everyone. Sige, sabay-sabay tayo.
Okay.
One, two.
Hindi naman.
Oh, sana guys. Ayan. Si Laika.
Ayun yun.
Laika, ikaw naman. Paki-invite sila.
Hindi, okay lang.
Sino ba yung mga guest ninyo, Laika, sa concert?
Si Kuya Mitoy, yung Ting, tapos po, yung Ting, si Kuya Mitoy yung Ting, tapos po si Ate Clarice de Guzman, tapos po si Tantong Cabilis Jr., tapos po si Ate Edre Duidoro.
Okay. And Darren, once again, paki-invite na sila for the last time.
Sorry naman. Ano ba?
Okay po. Okay na po.
Ayan, sana po supportan niyo po ang unang major concert po naming apat. Kasama po namin si Kuya Mitoy, Ate Clarice, si Tonton at si Edre. And you can buy tickets at smtickets.com.ph or sa number po nila, hindi ko po alam na.
Or you can go to any SM stores nationwide.
Oh,
Ay, may number po pala dito.
Yung
Kaya kailangan
number
ng script eh.
May
Hindi natin memorize yung number ng store. Tickets are available at 4,500 pesos, 4,000, 3,500 pesos, 3,000 by price, 200 pesos and 1,000 pesos at SM tickets at 470-2222. Or you can go at www.smtickets.com. And the Voice Kids all concert supported by John Lee. Official press con, venue partner.
Ayos na ba? Para naging bigo na si pwede naman yung DJ in the future kasi.
Makakabili po ng 3,500 po ba? And meron pong free poster signed by the top 6 and a chance to meet us backstage. Ayan.
Okay. So guys, once again, let's all give them a big round of applause.
Thank you so much.
Don't forget the concert is on December 6, 8 p.m. at the PICC Plenary Hall. And don't forget to grab your tickets at smtickets.com or call them at 470-2222. This is sponsored by Jollibee, our Media Partners Mix, MOR 101.9, Philippine Concerts, Pep.ph, and of course Business World. Of course, Jollibee, maraming salamat sa ating napakaganda at napaka-astig na menu. And also, please do grab a copy of their album, The Voice Kids. It's out under MCA Music. And of course, it's available on Astro Plus, Astrovision, and Odyssey outlets. For downloads, iTunes, of course, and streaming via Deezer, Spotify, and Vera. So please, please, please do support the Voice Kids. Palakpakan po natin sila, guys. And right now, we are having a photo. For our interviews, we will be having our interviews in a short while. Yung mga one-on-ones natin. Yung mga TV po natin, TV interviews, we'll be having it in a short while. And of course, lunch will also be served in a little bit. So sa inyo lahat na mga nagpunta, again, we would like to thank you all. And we hope to see you again soon. Thank you very much. And good afternoon.
Uy, picture lang. Picture.